This worm is trying to escape.
We're not gonna let it.
Okay, so we're gonna fish and vlog with no tripod.
It's a flishing vlog.
Okay, let's compare. Let's see Kai's worm job.
Very good.
See mine. Like a proper man.
Connor's gonna cast. Pretty short, but it'll do. Okay.
Oh geez, it's like way over there.
I have a different.
How did you do that so far? I'm like right there.
Connor's is moving around. Look at it. Look at it.
Is it on?
Yeah, like wow. 2 minutes in and he's already gotten something.
Yeah.
So.
Wow. I've never actually caught anything from this place.
Really?
Yeah,
I catch stuff from it all the time. That's actually the first one where I saw that has a yellow belly.
Okay, there it is. My beautiful masterpiece. Okay. I got one. This is nice. We should do this more often. Fishing vlogs.
Yeah.
Okay, I got the, you know, hook out of its mouth. Okay, I'll put it back. Okay. Go. The water's right there. Oh, that sucked. This one's good because it didn't take the worm I just put on. It's actually going to reel it in to cast it out again, but who cares?
Yeah, who cares?
Kai's using fake bait.
I'm gonna take this off. Does this look dangerous?
Is it?
Cutter just, yes, it is.
This might be the biggest fish I've ever caught. It's a good thing I have like 30-pound line.
Go.
Holy crap.
Just
hold on.
Reel it in. I'm gonna go over here.
Set on look how big it is. Oh my god.
Pull it up. Pull it up. Oh. Whoa.
Oh my god. Go ahead, Kai. Do the honors, actually.
Oh. Yeah,
really
that's
big.
its anus.
Kai, no. Oh my god.
Dive. It dove.
Okay, it dove. It dove. It's okay. Okay, that concludes our vlog. That was, I think, the biggest fish I've caught. I'm definitely gonna come back here tomorrow.